Imagine a tiny world inside the atoms that make up everything around us. It's a world where tiny particles zoom around at incredible speeds and where the most powerful forces in the universe are at work. Welcome to the world of nuclear reactions. The atom, the building block of everything. You might remember learning about atoms in school. Atoms are the tiny particles that make up everything in our world, from the air we breathe to the stars in the sky. They are like tiny Lego bricks with protons, neutrons, and electrons all working together to form a single, complete atom. The proton, the positive charge. Protons are the positively charged particles that live in the center of an atom. They are like the strong, steady leaders of the atom, keeping everything in order. Protons are stuck together with neutrons, which are neutral particles that help keep the protons stable. The neutron, the neutral helper. Neutrons are like the quiet, behind the scenes helpers of the atom. They don't have a charge, so they don't interact with other particles in the same way that protons do. But they are essential for keeping the protons stable and balanced. The electron, the fast-moving runner. Electrons are the negatively charged particles that zoom around the outside of an atom. They're like the speedy runners of the atom, moving quickly and constantly to keep the atom in balance. Electrons are attracted to the positive protons, but they're also free to move around and explore the world around them. Nuclear reactions. The big show. Now that we have met the players, let's talk about nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions are like big shows where particles come together and change into something new. They can happen in a few different ways. Fission. When a heavy atom splits into two or more lighter atoms, releasing a lot of energy in the process. It is like a big explosion where the atom breaks apart and releases its energy. Fusion. When two or more light atoms come together to form a heavier atom, releasing even more energy in the process. It's like a big collision where the atoms crash together and form something new. Radioactive decay. When an unstable atom loses energy and changes into a more stable form. It's like a slow dance where the atom gradually changes its shape and loses its energy. The power of nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions are incredibly powerful, and they are the source of energy for many of the things we use every day, from nuclear power plants to medical treatments. They are also the key to understanding many of the phenomena in the universe, from the sun's energy to the stars in the sky. The future of nuclear reactions. As scientists continue to explore and understand nuclear reactions, we may discover new and exciting ways to harness their power. We may develop new technologies that use nuclear reactions to create clean energy or to treat diseases in new and innovative ways. The possibilities are endless, and the future of nuclear reactions is bright. Nuclear reactions are an amazing and complex phenomenon, and they're a key part of the world around us. By understanding how they work, we can unlock new and exciting possibilities for energy, medicine, and more. So, next time you hear about nuclear reactions, remember the tiny world inside the atom where particles zoom around and change into something new. It's a world of incredible power and possibility, and it's all around us.